Hello folks. I told you I would give you an update. Last video I showed you building the planting station, and now it's all been filled with plants waiting to come up. And this morning I came up and it's a beefsteak, I believe. And looky here, I already have some beefsteaks coming up. I think that's the only one. These are those little greenhouses I talked about. You can see how the moisture is on the inside. Keeps them very moist. I can put water down here in this bottom tray if I need to, but I just realized that won't do any good because the water stays in the bottom of the green trays. But they're all doing well. Excuse me. The only thing came up that's come up so far has been, oh, I take it back. What have we got here? Tick seed. This is that greenhouse box I talked to you about. I got from iHarvest. And looky there. The tick seed is all coming up. And Joe Pye weed. Hey, it's a banner day. Look at this. This morning, I didn't see anything. And actually, there's some Tower Silver Aster coming up. Everything is popping at one stage or another. These are some more tomatoes, brandywine, and beefsteak. I don't think anything is coming up here yet. It's not. But this is my station over here. Let me add a little bit more light. The box where I do my mixing. I'm getting ready to plant some more seeds. I've got my little 4 and 6 inch pots ready. I've still got seeds left over, so I'm going to put those in. And then the second part of this video is going to be showing you my orchard, which we just started, and an update on the garden. All right, part 2 of this update video. This is the orchard. I was waiting for the sun to come out. We actually had tornado watches here in North Georgia last night. Same tornadoes that went through Arkansas yesterday. So down here, I've got some grapes, which the ends got burnt. I bought them a couple days ago. The next evening, we weren't supposed to get a freeze, and we did. And I don't know anything about plants yet. What do you call it? Fruit. And so some of the leaves got burnt. That's a Concord. This is a Concord as well. Same thing happened. They look like overall they're going to be fine. I'm sure they'll be fine for next year. But just to be sure, yesterday I went to Depot and bought another plant. Since it doesn't have any growth on it yet, I know it's not burnt. So I've got 3 grapes. I can't remember. It's a purple grape also, but it's not a Concord. And then I got 4 blueberry bushes. And I did a video already that showed you I was getting these things, or that showed you I had them. Now they're in the ground. I actually planted them with a pretty heavy mixture of peat because the blueberries like it acidic, and I didn't have anything else to make it acidic with. Then I put in my Canby raspberry, and again, I'll have to go down in the basement and get you a name. You can't even see it. It's in here. Here it is. That's in the raspberry. I got the same time another one of those little $11 boxes from Home Depot. But they look pretty healthy. The roots looked healthy. And let me walk you back in while I've got you here. Look at this beautiful sunshine. I love it. Greenhouse is cooking. I love spring. And of course, there's my girls, and I've got 3 or 4 of them actually laying now. They're always waiting here for a handful of sunflower seeds. What's up, ladies? Noisy ladies. Yeah, I know life is tough for a chicken, isn't it? Okay, and now an update on the garden. Since the last time I put my big compost bin in, where I can put chicken waste and other things. And of course, this is the standard I built this last year to replace what I had. Took everything out of this one side that was new, put it in the big one, and then moved all the aged stuff over here. It is really good. Just so you know, there is zero odor in this. It really worked well. The garden, I've been updating it since the last time I showed you this. This is the new plan. I've got landscape timber beds in. There's still a lot more work to do. Over here in the flower bed, I put some bulbs in the winter. It looks like some of them made it. I wasn't sure, so that's good. Regardless of what I do, I still have voles. I'll be dropping the poison. And then up here, started my next path. New bird bath, which we're excited about. And then up along the front, this is really neat. We pulled a bunch of these from the side yard and gene transplanted them, so every year we'll have fresh color on the front. And then we're gonna have, this will get seed planted, this small portion here, Shasta daisies, and maybe some other stuff. So that is where we are right now, and I'll give you another update soon. And one more update. I've switched over to growing the sunflower seeds for the chickens into the greenhouse. Hopefully this will work. I did not soak these seeds first, and I should have. These are my little microgreen growing trays. Water underneath, keep them moist. But I wanted to show you the garlic. Now I ordered this garlic online, and it's doing good. And then I had these little onion-like things, and I can never remember the name of them. I had about 6 or 7. Only one made it, but it's producing multiple, so that's good. If you can remember what they're called, make a comment down below. I always forget. All right, and then up here, we have a little bird building a nest in this potato bag, so I'm gonna have to leave it. It's a, not a nuthatch, but a little brown, like a nuthatch bird. They're around here every year. But that's the update for right now on the greenhouse. Birds, garlic, sunflowers for the chickens. We'll see you later.